Hey everyone, happy to see you. Today we are gonna start our lesson from VS Code and we will learn that how to add pics in this from Google. So let's start our lesson. We will first use this tag img this one will come if we will press img. It is img means image, src, and this all. So now we will open Google. We will open any of. Now we will search I'm searching flower pictures. Flower pics. This, yes. And these are the image of flowers. I am using this one. Sorry, my net is slow. My net is very slow. Keep going, keep going. Okay, first we will do from gallery. Okay, how to do from gallery? If you will do this Google One Pics, download it or capture its screen, so it will come to your folder. Here folder I will use which one? um okay, so I will use the screen recording. Then I will choose anyone. Okay, so let's choose this one. I'll not see it. Then we will copy it, right click. Oh, yes, right click it, then copy, and now it is copied. Now we will go to where our folder is. So here my folder is. So here I will paste it. Paste, and this is our screen recording. Now we will close this, and here we can see this screen recording. So we will use S and this will come screen recording. So I will click on this, and now I will go live, and where is it? Oh, internet isn't working. So first I will title it. I will do it screen recording. Screen recording I have done here, and run in the park, and let's see what happened. Code isn't working. Something is just okay. So we will wait here. Wait, yes, wait, and here we will use 200. Now we will run and debug. This is, I think it isn't working. Um, we can see from here, is it working or not? Uh, yes, it is working. So we will do it again. This is it, but it is not working. I think width should be 400, and we will do it high. We will write height also. Yes, height, and height I will do 500. If we do it, so this is it, but my net isn't working, so it is not showing it. You can see these lines. It is shown, and if you have to do it in center, so you will erase it and use center tag. Center, this is center tag. Now you will write it all. I have copied it, so I have pasted it, and it is now in center. We can see it from start debugging. Yes, now you can see, look, these lines are here. My net is not working, so this picture is not show. This video is not showing. So if we sorry, video have another tag, we will use any of pick from our folder. Sorry. So here we will go to see here users HP OneDrive pictures screenshots, and here are all screenshots. I will use this one. Copy it, copy it, uh, copy, and then in D where is our filer. We will open it and paste this here. Now it will work. You will see. IMGSRC now S, sorry S, and look, this is a screenshot. We'll click on it and run back, and now you can see it is saying, because my length and width are changed, so it is looking very exhausted, so you can change its height and width. Okay, so our lesson ends now. Okay, take care. Bye bye till then. Uh,